Hi guys, this is a quick update. This PC that I made a video of the other day, it does not work at all. I took the RAM out and everything does not beep, and I think those capacitors is the cause, because it does not work. So it's dead. I mean, the PC's on, but it doesn't do anything. I mean, even if I reset it, it doesn't even reset. So yeah, I'll just tear it apart and use the case for something else. Well, here's the CPU. I was actually shocked when I took it apart. The thermal paste somehow melted away, like it was dripping all the way down here. So yes, perhaps that's why it was overheating. It was very strange. The remaining thermal paste was like concrete. It took me a while to get it cleaned. Here's the Pentium 3. Here's a closer look at it. Here's the hard drive. I've checked the date code on it. It said July the 20th, the year 2000. Wow. So far, it only has one bad sector. Not bad. And here we got the GPU. Here we got the 1GB RAM. These two, they $256 each. This one is 512 megabytes. Oh yeah. I never heard of the make El Pico. Well, these are the added pieces to the motherboard. Oh yeah. USB added ports. Yeah. We'll just put this away. Okay, there. And then this was actually connected to the USB ports that I just showed you. There's a sound card or whatever. I've never heard of this, but anyway, I think it's a cheap sound card. Also done the job though. Yes, it's better than nothing back in the day. And of course, the Ethernet goodie. Pulse. Adding these to my little box of memories. I believe this is what you call a dip switch. I have no clue what it's used for. If you do, please let me know in the comments. Well guys, I hope you really enjoyed that video. It was kind of interesting taking it apart and taking a look at everything. Yeah, I'm adding all of those parts to my collection. Some of them will be hanging over here. I will show you soon. I just want to get everything perfect before I show you. Well guys, that's me. Have a good one. Bye.